koutou. It's so good to see you. Kei te rongo koutou, do you hear that? It's the Toy Time trumpets. That must mean it's time to party! Let's go. And welcome to Toy Time. Ko JoJo aho, and today's show is going to be really cool. Like, really cool, because it's all about wheels. Ngā wira, just like the ones on my skateboard. Kia ora, I'm Maya, and I love that my wheelbarrow has one big wheel. It makes it really easy to move things around in the garden.
Kia ora, girls.
Kia ora.
Oh, pai te kite I a koutou, ko tama tōku ingoa. And look, my scooter has wheels too. Hey, Mōhio.
Moriore Hoama, how can I help?
Hey, what other things have wheels?
Ka kitea ngā wira ki ngā wāhi katoa e tama. Wheels can be seen on vehicles like cars and trains, bikes and scooters. If something needs to be able to move around, then it will probably have wheels.
Thanks, Mōhio. Wheels are the best. Who's ready to roll?
Oh, what?
Me too.
Hooty, hooty, go round and round. Wheels can take us from the north to the south. Hooty, hooty, go round and round. Show me all the wheels that you have found. I saw a unicycle down the road that just had one wheel. I saw a bicycle with two, now that sounds much more ideal. I think a tricycle has three wheels, no less and no more. I've never seen a quadcycle, I guess that has four. Hooty, hooty, go round and round. Wheels can take us from the north to the south. Hooty, hooty, go round and round. Show me all the wheels that you have found. Scooters have just two wheels, which I think is just great. Rollerblades have four wheels, each a total of 8. 4 wheels on a car when we all go for a drive. Trains have like 1,365. Hooty, hooty, go round and round. Wheels can take us from the north to the south. Hooty, hooty, go round and round. Show me all the wheels that you have found. Show me all the wheels that you have found.
Ata Marie Tama.
Ah, good morning, Maya. Beautiful day for a drive, huh?
I'm Marika.
Oh, ooh, is that one of those electric cars?
It sure is, Tama. It's lovely and quiet.
Oh.
Uh-oh. It looks like my electric car needs charging. Ka haere tau wa ki here. Do you know of any stations near here?
Yeah, well, I'm on my way to the petrol station to fill up now. They have an electric charging station there too. Vai mai, follow me. Ba, 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 ba.
What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun.
Ba, 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 ba. Just this way, Maya. Ba, 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 ba.
Kia ora. Welcome to JoJo's Garage, at your service. Nō reira, how can I help? My electric waka is almost flat. Are you able to please help me charge it up, JoJo? You've come to the right place, man. Let's plug you in. You got some time? Awesome. How's your day going?
I'm having a great day, thanks, JoJo.
Awesome. Now, it won't be long. Oh, sweet ride. How can I help you, Hoa?
Oh, thank you. I just need to fill up the petrol tank, please, Jojo.
No problem, sir.
All right. Yeah, you like the wheels?
Yeah, they're all right. Could
Oh.
do with a clean. I'll help you out there, mate.
Mihi. Yeah. Oh, maybe the windscreen is...
Yeah, where have you been?
Huh? Oh.
Trying to hit the bugs.
Oh, not really. Not really.
Yeah. You got to go through the lights more often, bro. There you go.
Thank you.
All done.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.
Don't worry, mate. I'm coming to get your poots out.
Yeah.
Right, there you go.
All right, sweet as. Mihi. All right. Ba, 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 ba. Oh, sorry. Ba, ba, ba.
Ngā mihi nui, JoJo. See you next time.
Ngā mihi. All in a day's mahi at JoJo's Garage.
Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm gonna go for a cruise on my longboard. There's so many options to choose from today. I could go that way, maybe that way, maybe that way. We could go anywhere we want. Hey, remember to put your helmet on as well, too. I've got a flash red and black helmet. And then put that in. And... Okay, where are we gonna go? I'm gonna go that way. Come on. It's gonna be such an awesome day today at Te Whānau. Let's see what we can find, eh? Hoake tātou. Such a beautiful day out here in the Tai o Whānau. I'm gonna see how fast I can go on my longboard. We're heading down a big ass hill. Come on! Around the corner! And away! Yee! Oh! What's that? Wow! Pretty awesome. I've just found a special spot at Te Whānau. I'm gonna see if I can go down this little ramp. Here we go. Hey. Water. Around the corner. Tight turn, tight turn. Up along here. I can do heaps of tricks. Hey! I can see some rubbish on the ground. I said to Papa. What an amazing day it's been out in the taiao today, whānau. Ka kite anō.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all day long. The babies on the bus cry, where, 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 where. The babies on the bus cry, where, all day long. The mummies on the bus say shush, 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 shush. The mummies on the bus say shush, 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 all day long. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all day long. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
There were 10 big dump trucks jumping on the road. 10 big dump trucks driving on the road. One fell off and it dropped his load. And the ba-da-da-bumper driving on the road. Beep, 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 beep. Kia ora, Buzz.
Kia ora. I brought my transporter, see? It's huge and it can fit heaps of cars on it. And I thought, who do I know with a lot of cars?
Oh, us!
Exactly, that's what I thought. Are you ready to roll?
Tell you what? Let's roll.
Yeah, car transporter ready for loading. So, which cars are we transporting today, JoJo?
All of them, Buzz.
Perfect.
Okay, we have the dump truck,
Dump truck.
the taxi,
Taxi.
the pahi,
Paho.
the garbage truck,
Okay.
the police one,
All right. Whoop, whoop.
24-hour,
That's a tow service.
the ambulance,
Ambo, someone's hurt.
fire truck,
Fire truck, who's got a fire?
this taraka,
Ah, tow truck.
and my favourite one,
Little one.
wakete.
Perfect.
Wow, your transporter holds so many cars, Buzz. That's real cool.
Get now clear, JoJo. Hey, lucky you've got heaps of cars. We make a great team. Do you want to take it for a roll?
Yes, please.
All right.
Coming through. Clear the way.
Get out of the way.
Bye, Buzz.
Woo! Hey, ngā mihi o te rā. I'm Auntie Anika, and today I'm going to show you how to keep your upoko and your tinana safe when you're on wheels, because it's not really fun if you get hurt. First up, protect your upoko so your roro can be all brainy. A helmet will do the trick. Here's one I prepared earlier. Just make sure you use the little straps, click, click, and make it stick. See? Can't feel a thing. Next up, you want to protect these. Elbow pads, check. Poo. Your titty needs some padding too, and these knee pads pad your knees, see? Tough as concrete, nothing to hurt here, footpath. Last of all, wrist guards, in case you fall off and land on your hands. I know, it's hard to be humble when you look this good. Right, we out. Let off.
Oh, I think it's gonna rain, Oma.
Wolfie, you're right. What are we gonna do with all these blocks?
Oh, it's tricky. There are too many blocks to carry all at once. What are we gonna do? Oh, I think I found a raindrop, Oma.
Oh no, if only we had something that could help us carry all these blocks.
Yeah.
Aha!
Oh!
A wheelbarrow! Oh, perfect.
Yay!
Okay, hey Wolfie, we'll put all of our blocks in here. Wolfie, put your blocks in here, quick!
Okay. That's the last block, Oma.
Oh, great!
They're hiding. Just in the nick of time.
Shapes are great, shapes are fun. Which shape is your favorite one? Let's all make a circle. Come use your fingers and your thumbs. Can you make a circle? Make a circle just like this. Can you make a circle? Make a circle just like this. Shapes are great, shapes are fun. Which shape is your favorite one? Let's all make a triangle. Come use your fingers and your thumbs. Can you make a triangle? Make a triangle just like this. Can you make a triangle? Make a triangle just like this. Shapes are great, shapes are fun. Which shape is your favorite one? Let's all make a square. Come use your fingers and your thumbs.
Can you make a square? Make a square just like this. Can you make a square? Make a square just like this.
Shapes are great, shapes are fun. Which shape is your favorite one? Let's all make a diamond. Come use your fingers and your thumbs. Can you make a diamond? Make a diamond just like this. Can you make a diamond? Make a diamond just like this.
Today is Wheels Day.
And Mia. So where's yours, Hayden?
I've got my bike. We go to the park. We ride around and around. So much fun. We got scooters too. I like biking with my friends. We were home. We have to wear our helmets. Riding makes us thirsty. When we get tired and play on the playground. Riding is fun.
Hey, Maya, I've got a really good what's in the box for you today. Are you ready to put your ringa-ringa to the touch test?
My ringa-ringa, ready. Tama.
Go for it.
Oh. Okay. Well, it's rubbery. It's a bit of a funny texture.
Ooh.
Long with a loop. Is it a long circle-shaped balloon without any air in it?
Ooh, you're really close, Maya. Really close.
Really close. Is that a clue?
Oh, maybe.
Okay. Well, really close. Oh, I wonder what it would feel like if it was full of air. Wait a minute. Is it from inside a tyre?
It's the inner tube from my bike tyre. All right. Thanks, Maya. Gotta go.
Bye, Tama. Really close.
Woo! The wheels on the bike go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bike. That's better. Hey, Moshio, why are wheels round and not square?
Tēnā koe, Tama. Wheels are designed to move by rolling, and a round shape like a porohita rolls smoothly. A tapawhā or square can slide back and forward, but it has corners that stop it from rolling.
Oh, I see. Thanks, Mohio.
Can you buy me a bicycle? I want to see the wheels go round. Can you buy me a bicycle? I want to see the wheels go round. It has 1, 2, 1, 2 wheels on the bicycle. Can you buy me a scooter? I want to see the wheels go round. Can you buy me a scooter? I want to see the
Hi. I've been playing bocce since at least 5. I really enjoy playing the sport as it's something I've been doing since I started primary school. You play bocce by trying to aim at the jack, which is the white ball, in which you try and get your ball the closest to. You have 6 balls in 2 sets, red and blue. What I've learnt has impacted them to be able to learn, and I think that's what I enjoyed a lot. It's not always about winning. It does feel good when you win. I'm not going to deny that. It's more about the way you play and the tactics you use. It's not always about getting the closest to the ball. It's about thinking and using your mind to play this.
Talofa, I'm Lucky, and this is story time. Today's story is about Tavita and Tawila's really fun rainy afternoon. The big Ta'avale trek. It was a rainy afternoon, and the kids in Tavita's family were stuck inside. Zoom, skirt, went Tavita's toy Ta'avale. Tavita had made an amazing car track that stretched from his door, up to his bed, across his duvet, along his pillow, down his toy chest, onto his colourful rug, and back to the door. Tavita lined up his favourite cars: a monster truck, an ice cream truck, and an ambulance. He was all set to race his Ta'avale around the track, but remembered he had no one to race with. Who could he ask to play with him? Tavita had an idea. He ran down the hallway to Tawila's room to ask her if she wanted to race Ta'avale. Luckily for Tavita, Tawila loved to race cars too. Yippee! Yay! Tavita and Tawila had fun racing cars all afternoon. Zoom! 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 Te whā soifua. We'll see you next time.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō whā soifua. No